Hello everyone, it's me Momita. Welcome to my channel Sip and Snacks. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are going to do something different in our channel. We are going to plant some trees. Yes, it's raining outside and I'm too bored at home. So let's get started. So I'm sitting on my balcony. It's raining outside as I said, and we are going to plant some trees. Before we start, clutch your hair because it's going to get dirty. Yes, done. Hair done. Now let's start. Let me show you my first plant. So this is a beautiful hibiscus. It's been few months I have it, but its pot is really small, so I'm planning to shift it in a bigger pot so that it will get enough space to grow and more nutrition. I'm going to add some manure also. So let's begin. As you can see, these are the branches, and I have cut the branches and small nodes are coming out. I cut the branches because I don't want the trees to grow tall only. I want to get it dense, so I have cut it. This was the earlier pot it was in. It was a plastic pot and not so big. This time I got this mud pot of ₹50 from local market, and we are going to plant the tree and shift it here. So before we plant the tree to our new pot, we have to take it out from here. Slowly start cutting the soil. Don't disturb its roots. Be careful with it. See how easily the root came out? Can you see? Yeah. We are going to keep it aside. And we are going to use this soil also for our potting. As you can see, there is a hole there. We don't have to drill it, but if your pot doesn't have a hole or drainage system, try to make some hole in your pot, maybe of plastic, of your this clay like pots. And here we are going to add our soil. So I'm going to add this like 70% of soil, 20% of coco peat and 10% of manure. So let's start adding the soil. So I'm taking the soil from the earlier pot and placing it here. See, I'm not any professional gardener or something, but have done my research and it quite worked for me. So here is my coco peat. This one I got from Flipkart or Amazon, I guess. I will share the link in the below. And roughly adding some coco peat, some more soil. We are going to take our pot to plant and bury inside. Plant it inside. Very nice. Make sure it's steady and firm. After that, add some more soil. So I told 10% of manure add to my plants. So with your hand, spread it. It's been a year I guess I started gardening like small plants in my place, home. Some indoor plants like snake plant and this is called money plant. It really helps, you know, it's take away your mind from all the negativity around. It will help you to relax and focus on something good. So I thought to share this video with you all, what I do in my leisure time in this lockdown situation. Our pot is almost filled. Now I'm adding some manures. We all are stuck at home from last 2 years, about 2 years now, and it's good in some way, like we can spend some more time with our families, we can give time to ourselves, we can rebuild some hobbies, something we lost in our childhood. So basically मैंने ये थोड़ा बहुत गार्डनिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया था घर पे फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर, एंड फर्स्ट में ठीक ही लगता था गार्डनिंग, यू नो, प्लांटिंग सम ट्रीज, थोड़ा बहुत छोटा छोटा कुछ. मैंने आपको लोगों को बोला ना, स्नेक प्लांट्स, मनी प्लांट्स लाइक दैट, एंड सम लीफी प्लांट्स, यू नो, डेकोरेटिव प्लांट्स. But slowly I started enjoying it a lot, like it takes away my mind from other things, if anything disturbing is going in my mind or something like that. So हम लोग हमेशा ऐसा सोचते रहते हैं, राइट, कि लॉकडाउन हो गया, लाइफ बोरिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, वी गॉट स्टक. बट समटाइम वी कैन यूज दिस टाइम, यूटिलाइज दिस टाइम एंड spread some love, do something good for ourselves and for others. So next we are going to plant this aloe vera. Okay, ये एलोवेरा मुझे पास के आंटी ने गिफ्ट किया है, उनको कहीं से मिला था और शायद उनके पास था. सो आई लाइक एलोवेरा. वी नो कि हम लोगों को सबको पता है एलोवेरा कितना अच्छा होता है हम सब के लिए, स्किन के लिए, बॉडी के लिए, एवरीथिंग. सो मेरे पास पॉट नहीं था, तो मैंने इसको पानी में थोड़ा दिन इसको सोक करके रखा था. सो इट्स डूइंग वेल ओनली. सो इसके लिए आई एम यूजिंग दिस फाइबर टाइप ऑफ पॉट. It's only of 15 rupees, so it's good deal only, and it already have some drainage hole as you can see, but ये holes ना थोड़ा सा बड़ा है. So I'm going to put some this type of stones or something like that to block it, because इतना बड़ा hole होने से ना मिट्टी सब निकल जाता है. तो if when we do some water, give some water, the soil will just drain away, so we don't want it. सो इसलिए हम लोग थोड़ा सा बड़ा स्टोन दे दें. सो मेरा बेसिकली प्लांटिंग एंड पॉटिंग का एक ही रूल है, नियर अबाउट 70% ऑफ सॉइल, 20% ऑफ कोकोपीट एंड 10% ऑफ मैन्योर. आई एम प्लानिंग टू मेक सम होममेड मैन्योर फ्रॉम द वेस्टेज, जो सब्जी का छिलका रह गया, फ्रूट्स और वेस्ट, समथिंग लाइक दैट. आई एम प्लानिंग टू डू. आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड इट येट. I will let you know whenever I start, and or else if you want to make me a video on that, and we will share the journey of making a homemade compost, that will be fun. So वही अभी तो जो मार्केट में मैन्योर मिल रहा है वही यूज कर रहे हैं. So let's start potting. Aloe vera plant is done. I think it doesn't need much sunlight. Moderate sunlight does work for it. It's looking pretty. Let's see. Okay, now coming to the next plant. I got this beautiful arrowhead plant. Can you see? So beautiful, like a heart, cute heart, from our local vendor. So it's good. It's a decorative plant. It purifies air, and I hope it will look pretty. So again I'm using that one only, this fiber one. I'm going to place it inside. Let's go. I like to do with my hand more. I like to press the soil with the hand, add it wherever required. Just so pretty. Our next plant is this gardenia, this small white flowers. It's very pretty. So we are going to plant in a big pot. So our gardenia is also planted. See, I have not filled up the pot till the top. मतलब मैंने इसका ना पूरा मिट्टी पूरा ऊपर तक नहीं दिया. I have just filled till 80%. थोड़ा सा ऊपर जगह छोड़ देना चाहिए, so that हम लोग जब वाटर दे ना, पानी दे, so वो पानी के साथ soil drain होके बाहर ना आ जाए. So I believe 10 to 15% of the pot top से हम छोड़ देना चाहिए. And आप थोड़े दिन बाद पानी दीजिए, फिर थोड़ा सा उसको कुरेद के दे दीजिए. That will be nice. So guys, we are going to end our video today. It was fun shooting. It is something different we have not done in this channel. And let me know in the comment section what you have done or what you are doing in your leisure time at home, or do you have some more ideas regarding plants. Share your views in the comment section. And जाने से पहले, one of my favorite plant is this Aglaonema. It's very pretty plant. Yeah, you can see that. This is gifted by my dad. So इसको ज़्यादा मेंटेनेंस उतना चाहिए नहीं होता है, बट मैं वीक में 2 times मैं इसको सनलाइट में बाहर दे देती हूँ. नॉट इन द डायरेक्ट सनलाइट, जस्ट मॉडरेट सनलाइट पे. एंड और एल्स इट डू गुड इन इंडोर ऑल्सो. एंड अगर आप लोग प्लांटिंग न्यूली स्टार्ट किए हैं तो कुछ टिप्स मैं देना चाहती हूँ. फर्स्ट, इफ़ यू आर गार्डनिंग इन इंडोर प्लांट्स, उसमें हमें डेली पानी देने का ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ता है. 2 to 3 days in a week is enough. And if you are not sure you are regarding कब पानी देना है, just touch the soil from above. अगर वो ज़्यादा dry हो, that means it need water. But if it's moist, so you can wait for 1 or 2 days to water your plants. And मैंने कहीं पे देखा था, किसी से सुना था कि usually indoor plants die because of overwatering. So we need to avoid it. और एक चीज़, I don't believe in buying much fancy things directly when you start something new. For example, when I started my YouTube channel, I started with my mobile and some basic utensils, whatever I have at my home. Same with the gardening. I tried to do some DIYs, but DIYs is like jugaad we all do at home. So I got this big cold drink bottle and have made some holes in it. It's like a watering can for me. So it works perfectly. I will show you. So that's all for this video today. See, our water can work so nicely. I'm planning to plant some, kitchen garden plants like lemon, chilies, etc. Let's see what happens. And if you want me to make another part of this home gardening, so let me know in the comment section. And if you like the content, please hit the like. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So meet you next time. Bye bye.